Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about USDT dominance and other charts that predicting a mega crash is coming for crypto. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Get yourself Bitunix account, sir. Bear market is coming, man. Whether you like it or not, bear market is part of the cycle. This is by far the best exchange to short crypto. We have tutorials below on how to short crypto. Watch that for dummies. Man, don't miss out. Don't be naive. Don't be a baby baboon. Not shorting in a crypto bear because they're all going to zero. This exchange also give you amazing USDT bonuses. No need of KYC, no VPN, trade from the US, Canada, Australia. Let's dive into the video. USDT dominance. This chart predicted the last bear market. Okay, look at that. What he did here. Okay, that was your bear market of 2022. Okay, USDT went sideways here through all 2020-21. Okay, then here, right here, it started to advance here in November 2021. Went to the peak of the box in January. You had a little pullback consolidation. Then in April, Bitcoin got wrecked. You had all the black swans coming. You had the Luna collapse. You had the Celsius collapse. All the free arrow capital, all the rubbish, all the DeFi unwind. That was a horrible bear market for crypto. That was the moment here on the breakout. That was the advance. Crypto went to advanced bear market, but the strength of the USDT dominance started here in November, early November, and that was the beginning of the crypto bull bear market. Okay, now here we have something very similar. Okay, watch this chart here. Watch this box here. Okay, let me just remove the drawing here. Okay, watch this area here, man. Okay, here you can see you had sideways range. Okay, you had a bottom here and you had a higher low. Okay, look at this. And here you had a bottom and now you're having a higher low. Okay, you had a higher low. This is a long-term chart. It's not a baby chart. Okay, this is a 2024. This from 2024. That was the beginning of the box here. January 2024. We're now in November 2025. We're talking about 2 years basing period here for the USDT dominance. It looks like a base. It looks like an accumulation. Open Wyckoff schematics of accumulation. That looks like an accumulation. Okay, accumulation comes in the bottom before an uptrend. Okay, now once this thing will go on an uptrend, crypto will tumble, will collapse. All these coins will shrink 99% of their value. You will see it's coming. The moment is coming, whether you like it or not. Now you can see here. Look at that. That was the higher low. Like here, that was the a low, higher low, a low, higher low. And now it's starting to curve up. Okay, this thing, if it breaks above this level, look down below, sir. Look down below. All your fake coins are going to zero. They are gonna collapse 60, 80, 90% on their first collapse. You're gonna see that. The last flash crash was nothing. Once this thing will break out, crypto will collapse, man. I will find another way, another word to describe. At the moment, collapse is what I have. Now, watch this chart. Now look, it's also flashing very nice on the momentum. Okay, look on the monthly. Okay, take the stochastic RSI. Look at that. Here you had a low and a higher low. That was it. Hello, higher low, bear market triggered here. The bear market triggered here on the higher low on the monthly stochastic. Here as well, look what happened. Here, we're so extended, it didn't even start on the higher low. Okay, you had the low, higher low here. We got the higher low in January 2025. Okay, now we have another higher low. Okay, that's the second higher low now. And people are calling for alt season. They're calling for Bitcoin to go to 250, 500, 1 million. Don't be naive, sir. You're gonna end up with your pants down in a dark night, surrounded by evil bears, which will do what you really don't want them to do to you. Okay, man? So really, be careful out there. This chart showing you, tell you something nasty is coming for crypto, and it's getting momentum. It's getting stronger. It's getting momentum. Looks like it's bottoming out. We're gonna keep you posted. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. I want to show you a few other charts that are horrible for crypto. Okay, look at this baby. This is Coinbase. Look at Coinbase. Look at Coinbase. Look what happened here. Okay, that was May 2021, okay? We had a crash in May, remember. Coinbase crash, Bitcoin crash, okay? That was November 2021. You had a Bitcoin crash that triggered a bear market, okay? Look at that. Same stuff here we had here. July 2025, Coinbase crash, little crash. But now we're making a lower high, just like we did here. Lower high, lower high. Coinbase is done, it's cooked, man. Coinbase is cooked. And now look here, sir. I'll show you the daily chart. Look what's going on here. You have a double top type of a move, double top with a lower high. Okay, you break now the neckline right here. You break the neckline. Look down below, sir. Coinbase is going to collapse. It's now breaking below its 200-day MA. Not yet. It soon will break below the 200-day MA. And then it will get completely cooked. And will send Bitcoin to a bear market. Okay, another chart you want to watch is Mr. Mikey Saylor. Mikey telling you, hey, buy Bitcoin. It's the best thing in the world. Buy Bitcoin. We tell you, no. Don't buy Bitcoin now. You want to buy Bitcoin? Wait for the bear market to over. Don't buy at the top of the bull market. MSTR stock is already triggered a bear market right here in November 2025 once it broke below the 50-week MA. That was the telltale sign. That's where we started flipping very bullish very bearish on crypto, skeptic, and looking for tops. Okay, and we called the top actually. You know, we had a local top on Bitcoin, and this looks like the top for Bitcoin once MSTR rolled over below the 50-week in early October. Look what happened here. Now again, look what happened the last time MSTR rolled over below its 50-week, the red line. Look what happened, sir. Bam, bam. That was in December 2021, sir. Beginning of December 2021. What happened in December 2021? Bitcoin collapsed. Bitcoin collapsed like a piece of toilet paper. They throw it from the toilet. Actually, they throw it from the roof, and it fell straight to the toilet of Mikey Saylor. Yes, sir. They're all going to collapse. This chart telling you, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Now, regarding MSTR, sir. MSTR, I'll show you this chart. Where's this chart? This one. MSTR, this is look at this chart. Okay, I shared it on my X. Follow me on X, man. The best X in the world. You know, no BS. All your X is full of moon boys that will get you completely wrecked. You are already wrecked, man. Stop watching these toxic moon boys, man. They are cooked. They're gonna lose everything. Now, this is MSTR Bitcoin holding chart. Okay, look at that. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Okay, look here. Okay, this is January 2021. This is July 2024. Okay. They had 0 Bitcoin in the beginning of January 2021, and they had 200,000 on 2024. Okay, they accumulated tons of 200,000 Bitcoin. Okay, now then in the next year, in like year or two, kind of year and a half. Okay, you can see the growth. They flipped from 200,000 Bitcoin to 600,000 Bitcoin in half the time it took them to get the first 200. That means they were pressing the gas. Mikey Saylor was buying, was leveraging, was taking debt for buying more Bitcoin. Now look what happened now. Mr. Saylor cannot buy enough. You can see the chart is rolling over. It's topping out. It looks like a rounded top is forming here. Oh, it's just going sideways. What does it mean? MSTR cannot acquire enough Bitcoin to sustain the price growth. It is cooked, my friend. This is the biggest buyer of Bitcoin. If MSTR cannot buy as much as they could, Bitcoin is going to collapse. Now, once MSTR, we believe MSTR will suffer a black swan at some point, some kind of a leverage, you know, Ponzi type of unwinding of Saylor and all his nonsense, and he will have to sell Bitcoin. Okay, MSTR will have to sell Bitcoin. Once they sell Bitcoin, sir, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Again, I cannot stress it enough. Make sure to join a trading service. This is the time you want to join a trading service. If you are investing now, better throw in the towel, go take your capital, give it to the homeless in the metro station, and quit crypto, man. It's not for you if you're investing now. Now, if you're a smart individual, get yourself Bitunix account, man. This will change your life. And watch my tutorial below on how to short crypto, okay? Now, if you want to join our membership, you have the link below, sir. Check it out. Really, this is the time you want to be in a trading service, man. People that will protect you, will teach you risk management, will teach you how to respect the risks that come in, how to watch for risk, and also how to capitalize on the upcoming bear market. The moon boys that you're following calling for extended cycles, it's not going to happen. The writing is on the wall. Everything is going to collapse. The biggest AI bubble is going to pop. It's bursting right now. Join the VIP. We have our VIP service down below. Check it out. You can join for 1 month, 4 months, or lifetime. If you want to join lifetime, drop me a message on my email, and you can pay with crypto if you want. But really, whatever you do, get yourself a service. Join a trading service, not investor service, not hodler cult moon boys with pimples group. No, trading service. We recommend our service because we're gonna guide you. We're gonna show you the way. If you trade with large amount of capital, consider joining Elite VIP and book a call with me today. See you in the next video. Cheers.